Electron matte black yellow. I thought about getting this at first. I was thinking, should I get the Dalla Porta or this one, because my jacket is yellow and black, my gloves also same style. I was thinking, should I really get this one or should I get the Dalla Porta that I always wanted? See? And so I end up getting the Dalla Porta, but this one is very nice looking, designed by KYT, I believe. Yeah, this one is nice, large size, fent in the front, fent on top, of course, single visor. You can hear the quality. You can tell when helmet are quality because of the sound of the lens. Very good. Large size, 1450 grams. All the, if it's small or large, is always the same shell, the same, I believe it's the same shell, it's the same weight always. Titicos. Yeah, black matte, yellow color, like that, visible on the road, that's good. I like more this one than the red one, like the black matte and the red. I think the yellow one look much nicer. Shape very good. ICC sticker. That's it. You can hear the noise. Very nice. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have Titicos dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available. So you just have to check in the link in the description for eClaw by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.